Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's winter and I thought of sharing this chicken vegetable soup with you. I hope you like this recipe guys. Stay tuned and enjoy watching. Welcome back again guys. For today's recipe, our ingredients is some chicken. I am going for old chicken. We said hard chicken in Africa, or you can say old chicken. Here in Austria, we call it soup chicken. And it's been cut and well cleaned in small size. You can as well go for soft chicken for this recipe. Everything will be listed out in the description box guys. And also I will be going for some vegetables. We usually get this vegetable in a pack also here, like we call it soup vegetables. There are different type inside, like we have a parsnip, onion, yellow carrots, we have a leek and all that. So I will still bring in some sweet corn. For the spices, I am going for bay leaf and then some peppercorn, also yellow mixed peppercorn. This is very important. Mostly the juniper berry is very important for this recipe too, guys. We'll start cooking by adding enough water to cover up our chicken and then introduce the 3 spices. Cover up and cook for about an hour. It's a strong chicken and of course it will take a long time to cook on a low heat. We didn't add any salt guys. We just don't add salt. If not, your chicken will be hard, it will stay firm, would not be able to release its nutrients and it won't cook that fast. So I am peeling off my vegetables and then cut in a shape you prefer. In the kitchen term language, we call the shape paysan, but you can cut however you wish to have your veggie in your soup. If you are new on this channel, thank you so much for watching. My name is Annie Krieger. I have other good recipes on my channel that might interest you. Please check them out. And if you have watched to this time, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much to my return subscribers. I have cut all my veggies to my preferred shape and we're gonna continue cooking. So guys, back to our soup. This is what I want to avoid, those round foam around the pot. So I'm going to transfer my chicken in another pot to continue to cook. You can as well use something, a spoon or sieve, to scoop out all the white stuff out, but because I want the soup to be very clear without having any particle inside, so I'm going to drain the soup. So I had all my vegetables, leaving behind the leg and the sweet corn. So grab a sieve and strain out all that you don't need in the soup. See all that is left behind. This is what I just want to avoid. And the soup is very clear. Look at that guys, it's looking very good. So I added some ginger, some peeled ginger, and then some juniper berry, fresh juniper berry, not the ones I had first. And then I'm going to add a scotch bonnet pepper, 1 red and 1 green. And then I also added some bay leaf again because I strained out the first one, so I just want fresh look here. And then cover up and still cook for 40 minutes again. 40 minutes later, our soup still remains clear. It tastes amazing. Everywhere is smelling good. I'm going to add on the sweet corn at this point and then the leek. The moment the leek comes in, that shows you're not going to cook any longer again. At this point, I'm going to season with salt. Up till now, I did not season with any salt. The only spices I add till now is the juniper berry, the peppercorn, bay leaf, and some scotch bonnet pepper, and then the ginger. This is the spices I've had up till now. So now I'm going to season with salt, give it a taste and see if you are fine with it. I tell you, adding salt at the ending, it's always the best because all your vegetables and chicken have released their flavor, their nutrients and all that. So I covered and cooked for about 10 minutes again. After 10 minutes, the soup still remained clear and looks beautiful. So thank you so much guys for always tuning in. I am going to add in some fresh parsley if you have one. Of course, you don't need to continue to cook after adding your parsley, and that's all. I am not a soup freak, but this soup is just too perfect for this weather. Yeah, it tastes amazing. Usually most of the Austrians don't eat, almost 70 to they don't eat with a soup. So there's all sorts of soup, but this one is my favorite. If they want to serve this soup, they will take off the chicken from the bone, the flesh from the bone, so that they can eat with spoon without having any fork or knife. But I love to have it like this with bone. Yeah, it's fine. So thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you are new, please do so. Hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment down below. Bye for now.